Alright, how's it going? I hope you're having fun with math today. Um, Unit rates. So first of all, a rate. Alright, first of all, a ratio is a comparison between two numbers. Let's just back all the way up. A ratio. Here's a ratio. 3 to 8. Comparing two numbers, 3 and 8. That means 3 to 8. Um, a rate is a ratio where the two things being compared have different units. So, 3 bugs uh, compared to 8 hours. 3 bugs per 8 hours. Bugs and hours are not the same thing. So these quantities are measurements in different units. Okay? A unit rate is a rate. It's a ratio that compares two quantities with different units. A unit rate is a rate where the bottom quantity is 1. And unit just means one of a thing. Like unity, we're all one. Trying to think. Unit circle, that's where the radius is 1. Anyway, unit means one. One of a thing. So just simply the bottom number is 1. So you can take whatever the comparison is and um, make it so that the bottom is 1. So it's, if I wanted to make the bottom 1 here, so what do I do to make 8 into 1? Well, I divide it by 8, right? 8 divided by 8 is 1. Okay, so if I divide by 8 on the bottom, I need to do that to the top, so I divide by 8 too. So whatever 3 divided by 8 is would be on the top, and then 1 would be on the bottom, and then that's the unit rate. So I got some examples for you here. Say like I've got a rate here, 12 miles per 2 hours. Well, what do I do to make 2 hours into 1 hour? I divide by 2. So then I also divide the top by 2, the first number by 2. So here's a rate, 12 miles per 2 hours. Here's the unit rate for that rate, 6 miles per 1 hour. See, the bottom is 1. Rate of $15 per 60 cookies, however much the ingredients cost is 15 bucks for around a 60 cookies. Well, the unit rate for that would be $0.25, 25 cents per one cookie. 25 cents per cookie. Unit rates allow you to say things like that. Speed is expressed as miles per hour. That means miles per 1 hour. That's a unit rate. So you can just say miles per hour. You don't have to say miles per 2 hours. Anyway. So the unit rate for this would be, and you just divide 15 divided by 60. Or you can think of it as, what do I do to make 60 into a 1? I divide it by 60. Well, if I do that to the bottom, gotta do that to the top, or else the ratio will change. I don't want the ratio to change. I just want to express it differently. 15 divided by 60 is 0.25. Here we've got a rate. We've got 64 million hectares. That's what HA means. We've got 4 years, so these are two different units. I'm going to make the bottom into 1 year. So to convert that, I divide by 4. So I divide the top by 4 also. So the unit rate for that would be 16 million hectares per year. So those are unit rates. Unit means 1. Number 1. Math lesson. Best ever. All right. Take care.